Welcome to the Ultimate Number Series Challenge. You have 5 seconds for each question. Let's see how many you can solve. Question 1. Find the odd number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 11. Your time starts now. Answer is 8.11. Question 2. Find the odd number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 16. Your time starts now. Answer is B16. Question 3. Find the odd number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 26. Your time starts now. Answer is C26. Question 4. Find the odd number. 7, 14, 21, 28, 34. Your time starts now. Answer D34. Question 5. Find the odd number. 1, 4, 9, 16, 18. Your time starts now. Answer is A18. Question 6. Find the odd number. 2, 6, 18, 54, 100. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option B. Question 7. Find the odd number. 3, 9, 27, 81, 90. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option C. Question 8. Find the odd number. 4, 16, 64, 256, 300. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option D. Question 9. Find the odd number. 5, 25, 125, 625, 700. Your time starts now. Answer is A. Question 10. Find the odd number. 6, 36, 216, 1296, 1400. Your time starts now. Answer is B. Question 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Your time starts now. Answer is C. Question 12. 4, 6, 8, 10, 13. Your time starts now. Answer is D. Question 13. 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. Your time starts now. Answer is A. Question 14. Find the odd number. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Your time starts now. Answer is B. Question 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 70. Your time starts now. Answer is C. Now it's time for the level 2 questions. Let's see if you can solve these. Question 16. Find the odd number. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Your time starts now. Answer is D. Question 17. Find the odd number. 9, 18, 27, 36, 44. Your time starts now. Correct answer is A. Question 18. 11, 22, 33, 44, 50. Your time starts now. Answer is B. Question 19. 13, 26, 39, 52, 60. Your time starts now. Answer is C. Question 20. 14, 28, 42, 56, 63. Your time starts now. Answer is D. Question 21. 2, 4, 8, 16, 18. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option A. Question 22. Find the odd number. 3, 6, 12, 24, 30. Your time starts now. Answer is B. Question 23. 5, 10, 20, 40, 45. Your time starts now. Answer is C. Question 24. Find the odd number. 7, 14, 28, 56, 60. Your time starts now. Answer is D. Question 25. Find the odd number. 9, 18, 36, 72, 80. Your time starts now. Answer is A. Question 26. Find the odd number. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 22. Your time starts now. Answer B. Question 27. Find the odd number. 2, 5, 9, 14, 20, 27, 30. Your time starts now. Answer is C. Question 28. Find the odd number. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 50. Your time starts now. Answer D. Question 29. 6, 13, 21, 30, 40, 51, 55. Your time starts now. Answer is A. Good job. Comment your score. Now it's time for the hardest questions. Let's see if you can solve these. Question 30. 3, 7, 12, 18, 25, 33, 40. Your time starts now. Answer is B. Question 31. 4, 8, 12, 16, 21. Your time starts now. Answer B. Question 32. Find the odd number. 5, 15, 25, 35, 50. Your time starts now. Answer D. Question 33. 6, 18, 30, 42, 60. Your time starts now. Answer is A. Question 34. 7, 21, 35, 49, 65. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option B. Question 35. Find the odd number. 8, 24, 40, 56, 70. Your time starts now. Answer C. Question 36. 9, 27, 45, 63, 80. Your time starts now. Answer D. Question 37. 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. Your time starts now. Answer A. Question 38. 11, 33, 55, 77, 100. Your time starts now. Answer B. Question 39. 12, 36, 60, 84, 110. Your time starts now. Answer C. Question 40. Find the odd number. 13, 39, 65, 91, 120. Your time starts now. Answer D. Question 41. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option A. Question 42. 3, 5, 7, 9, 12. Your time starts now. Correct answer B. Question 43. Find the odd number. 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. Your time starts now. Answer C. Question 44. Find the odd number. 5, 7, 9, 11, 16. Your time starts now. Answer D. Question 45. Find the odd number. 6, 8, 10, 12, 18. Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is option A. Question 46. Find the odd number. 7, 9, 11, 13, 20. Your time starts now. Answer B. Question 47. Find the odd number. 8, 10, 12, 14, 22. Your time starts now. Answer C. Question 48. Find the odd number. 9, 11, 13, 15, 24. Your time starts now. Answer D. Question 49. Find the odd number. 10, 12, 14, 16, 26. Your time starts now. Answer A. Question 50. Find the odd number. 11, 13, 15, 17, 28. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. Great job. Comment your score below and subscribe for more amazing quizzes. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.